welcome back to another Fun with Captain Starlight Unbox and Play. And today we are playing with
a magnetic ball run. We can make a ball run that's also rainbow. Did you know that every magnet has an invisible magnetic field surrounding it? So that means that these balls are going through a magnetic field and the roller coaster I built for them? Ha, cool.
Let's get building. Now, if Captain Starlight can do this, I can't wait to see what awesome creations you all make. So let me talk you through this creation. I have here 2 balls. I have a yellow ball and a red ball. And we are going to put the red ball in here. It's going to go down and end up here. And we're going to put the yellow ball in this one. And it goes all the way around and ends out here. Now, my question is, which one do you think is going to be faster? The red ball or the yellow ball? Call it out. Whoa, okay. Oh, it's very even. All right, let's find out. Okay, here goes the yellow ball first. Ready, everyone? Whoa! Did you see that? That was so fast. Okay, do we think the red will be faster though? Oh, a few of us do. All right, here it goes. How fun was that? Now, if you want more fun unbox and play videos, then check out the link below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun with Captain Starlight every single week. Speaking of, I've been Captain Starlight. This has been Fun with Captain Starlight Unbox and Play. Bye! Whoa!